ang mukbang challenge oy. So muna karon ang atong second round sa atong mukbang challenge. But this time, akong gitry contact si aRVees and good thing he is available. So dara, si aRVees.
Hello.
aRVees vlog, and of course we have also our guest Ate Gingging from Peso Mandaweng, and of course her daughter.
Hello, I'm from Peso Mandawi. Kung kinsa tong ganahang mga apply, doon lang ko. Amo office na sa 3rd floor sa Mandawi City Sports Complex.
Alright, there you go. And aRVee, before ta mag-start ang atong
Sa katong hiling mag-travel o katong ganan og mga info about travel o mga guides kung unsaon panalitan pag adto sa Mactan Shrine or kanang mga tourist spots sa Cebu, bisitahan lang ako YouTube channel at aRVees Vlog or visit my website www.arveesblog.com. That's aRVeesblog.com.
Okay, so there you go. aRVees vlog and Ate Gingging from Peso Mandawi. So mga anas, by the way, darang atong mga food karon. We have KFC, chicken from KFC of course. And we have, of course, the rice. Tingnan mo mawag tang rice. The pesto. And we have the sardines with spinach. And we have our dessert. Mango float by Flora Remorosa. And
Right.
the rice, of course, na dili ginamawag. Okay, mga adas, ready na mo? Kaon na ta!
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me.
Mga anas, di kaya. Pasara dyan taon kabuok among nahurot. Usa ka bucket lang. Pero lami jud kayo ni si KFC gyud oy bisan unsaon. Unsa pa gyud. So far, thumbs up gyud mga pagkaon. Pagainon pa. Di jud kaya gyud ang hutdon og kausa ang tanang pagkaon na sa lamesa. And ikaw, aRVees, unsa man mo? Murag katugon nako.
Murag mao gyud ang uban mo sokol gyud og eat all you can kay ang tao mabusog gyud.
Correct. And what about you, Ate Ging?
Sa imong hunahuna, lami kay ikaon, pero na nang makaon, di na di makaya.
Correct. So muna pag nagdako lang huna-huna nato. Okay, so Adas, thank you so much sa inyong time. And of course, for watching once again. aRVees, thank you very much, of course, aRVees, sa inyong time. And Ate Gingging, thank you so much. And also mga Adas, don't forget, always hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is www.youtube.com/Ma2ke TV, and leave comments kung unsa pa inyong gustong buhaton namo. What about you, aRVees?
Yeah, sa tanang nag-watch sa Ma2ke
Busog
TV,
na dyan.
paliho ko visit sa akong YouTube, aRVees Vlog, and visit my website as well, www.aRVeesblog.com. That's aRVeesblog.com. Thank you.
Hey, and Ate Ging.
O kinsa tong nagtanaw diha nga way mga trabaho, duula lang ko ninyo sa among opisina sa PESA office na nahimutang sa 3rd floor sa Ma2ke City Sports Complex.
Okay, there you go mga Adas. So, thank you so much for watching Ma2ke TV. Bye!
Didn't even get to